Woo! This is exciting. Right, no doubt about it. What's this? No doubt about it, phones have gotten bigger over the years. Phones that we used to call the brick back in the day are now dwarfed in comparison with the phones that we have now, with the 6 point whatever screens and their 4,000-5,000 milliamp hour batteries. Phones have gotten bigger and bigger, all except one. One company has gone the other way and have made what is probably, and they claim, is the world's smallest phone. This is unreal. The phone is in this box, right? Yeah, just, I mean, wow. Let's have a look. Unbelievable. This is the Zanco Tiny T1 unboxing. Okay, let's have a little look inside this baby. So this is the Zanco Tiny T1. It says right there in the box, this is the world's smallest phone. So we shall see how small this is. Wow. Phone must be placed on charge to be activated. So I'm gonna have to charge it up and get it working first. But geez, this is small. It doesn't even. This doesn't even look like this could be real. Surely this is a joke. This is a gimmick. That's wow. That's it. I mean, I have memory card readers that are bigger than this. This is insane. It's a tiny, tiny phone. Wow. So it has got a little screen protector on, so that's it. That's the screen protector. And then it's just that. Wow. There's one itty bitty phone. I can't even focus on it properly. That's crazy. So it's got a tiny little speaker grill at the top. I mean, you're not even going to be able to see what I'm pointing at here. This is just insanely small. I mean, wow. Like, there's next to the Nokia 3310 for comparison. Gone. It's so light as well. This is crazy. Let's see if we can find some specs in the box. Let's see what else we get in the box. Wow. So this is a tiny, tiny little silicone case. Just says Zanco on the back of it. And that's, wow. Let's put this in. Bum, bum, bum. Cute. There you go. Fully protected now. Yeah, it has got the slam there. So the buttons don't press when you slam down on the desk. What else is in here? Nice. Okay, you're going to need that because you don't want to put that in your pocket because that's getting lost in the lint. That is tiny. Jesus. Yeah. So I'd have to put it on this just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. I don't even know how that would... Where does that go? On the top of the silicone case, I'm guessing. Oh, nice. So it can actually go in through the actual phone at the top as well. Let's see if I can put that on. You're going to need some freaking patience for this. Let's go. No, that ain't going on. Not just yet. I have not got the patience for that. It's too hard. Charging cable. It's a flat micro USB. Ah, so sad that it's not USB-C, but I didn't think it would be. I did actually think it would be its own proprietary charger, so that's actually pretty cool. Charges off that, so I'm guessing this thing ain't gonna take long to charge. However, probably hasn't got fast charging. Let's plug it into the MacBook. Don't even know that's... Is that charging? I'll come back to that. It may or may not be charging. And then we have... My god, there's a SIM ejector tool in here. Right. The SIM ejector tool? Almost as big as the phone. I mean, come on. keep that plugged in now. Right, so stats. What do we need? Okay. So it's a nano SIM, right? Sync contacts, music. Music? Yeah, right. Music? Really? Okay, it says voice changer. Does this have a voice changer built in? That is crazy if it does. I will be prank calling everybody on this if it does. 3 days standby, 3 hours of talk time. Bluetooth 3.0. Stores 300 contacts. Nano SIM, you put that on. So voices, it's got man, woman, child, old, cartoon, young, Optimus, duck, robot, EVA, Wally, rap man and rap woman. I'm gonna have to have a look into that, give that a test and try it out. I will let you know what that's all like. Different languages as well, but no specs. I'm just interested. I want to know like battery size on this thing. There's a user manual which is 4 times bigger than the phone. Let's have a quick little look. Does have a 1 year warranty. No, couldn't find any milliamp hours. I'm going to guess it's about 4. Like just 4 milliamp hours will be my guess there. I mean, it's ridiculously small. It's just, it can't have anything on there, surely. I mean, it's just, what is this? What's, it's crazy. I'm going to get charged up and turned on because I really want to, let's put the SIM card in. Let's just see. I have a spare SIM card somewhere. So, that one. This is the SIM card I've just taken out of the Nokia 3310, and that's the new phone, right? That's twice the size, less than twice the size. SIM compared to phone, that's just ridiculous. Technology's coming a long way. It has a long way to go. Doesn't feel delicate, which is a surprise to me. Okay, SIM card's in. Let's charge it. It's not charging from the MacBook. I'll come back to it. Right, I now have the phone. This is so weird. I've got the phone charged up and ready to go. So I'm going to try it out and I'm going to review it. Let's just see on here. It's super difficult to navigate. That screen is... whoo, it's just so small and unusual. My little lad who's 3's just come in the room now and he's just asked, what's that? And I was like, it's a phone. He's like, no, what is it? It's a phone. It's like, it's gone. And he just couldn't understand it's a phone because it doesn't even look like a phone to him. To him, a phone is a smartphone, obviously. But this is just so small. And it has buttons, so it just confused him. It's just bizarre. Unreal. Absolutely unreal. I'm going to try testing it out, making a few calls on it and see how it goes. See what it's like to use. It's got like speaker and mic on the front and it's just bizarre. And I don't know what the market is for this, but I'm going to review it. I'm going to test it out. So stay tuned to see like a full review. Wow. Action!